Good morning, everybody. Dear children, today we are going to learn unitary method in basic arithmetic. In general, we will purchase fruits, flowers, vegetables from the market, bangles, cosmetics from the fancy shop, and petrol, diesel from the petrol bunks, notebooks, textbooks, pencils, pens from the bookshop. Now we will see some situations what we face in our daily life. Situation 1. The cost of 3 kg of tomatoes is 240 rupees. What is the cost of 5 kg of tomatoes? Situation 2. If the cost of 1 dozen soaps is 300, what will be the cost of 15 of such soaps? Situation 3. If the cost of 24 pencils is 72 rupees, then find the cost of 15 pencils. To overcome these situations or problems in our daily life, we need to learn the method of unitary or unitary method. Unitary method, the method in which first we find the value of one unit and then the value of required number of units is known as unitary method. In unitary method, first we find the value of one unit and then we find the value of required number of units. So that is unitary method. That means what is that says? Simply, suppose if you know many number, we have to find the one number. After that, from one number to many more or less number. Now we will understand the situations and how to solve that situation. So situation 1, the cost of 3 kg of tomatoes is 240 and what is the cost of 5 kg of tomato? Now answer. First we have to write given the cost of 3 kg of tomatoes 240, the cost of 1 kg of tomatoes. Here 3 kg of tomatoes is 240, then how to get 1 kg of tomatoes? So here by transposing 3 to that side, if we are 3 to that side, then 3 will go to the denominator. Now the cost of 1 kg of tomatoes we will get dividing 240 by 3. So here 3 1 and 3 8 24 and 0 3 80s. Now the cost of 1 kg of tomatoes equal to 80 rupees. The cost of 1 kg of tomatoes equal to 80 rupees. Now how to find the cost of 5 kg of tomatoes? The 5 kg of tomatoes will get 5 into cost of 1 kg of tomatoes. Here 1 kg of tomatoes is 80 rupees. Therefore 5 into 80. 5 into 80 equal to 5 8 are 40 and 0. So therefore 400 rupees. Therefore the cost of 5 kg of tomatoes equal to 400. Situation 2. If the cost of 1 dozen soaps equal to 300, what will be the cost of 15 of such soaps? Answer. Cost of 1 dozen soaps equal to 300. Here we know that 1 dozen means 1 dozen equal to 12. 1 dozen means 12. That equal to number of soaps are 12. So they give even the cost of 12 soaps equal to 300. That implies cost of 12 soaps equal to 300. Now cost of 1 soap we required. That is equal to, by using the unitary method, we have to find what is the cost of 1 soap. The cost of one soap is equal to 300. By transposing 12 to that side, then it goes to the denominator. Now 12 cancellation, 12 1 jar, 12 2 jar 24, and 6 is the remainder, and 12 5 jar 60. You have to understand 312. So 12 2 jar 24, remainder 6 and 0, 12 5 jar 60 and remainder 0. Therefore the cost of one soap equal to 25 rupees. Now we need to find cost of 15 such soaps. 15 such soaps means we have to multiply 15 to the cost of one soap. Here cost of one soap equal to 25. 25 15 jar 375. Therefore the cost of 15 soaps equal to 375 rupees. Now the situation 3. If the cost of 24 pencils is 72 rupees, then find the cost of 15 pencils. Here cost of 24 pencils equal to 72 rupees. Cost of one, we have to find out first cost of one pencil. Here cost of one pencil is equal to 72. By transposing 24 to the right hand side, then we will go to the denominator. Here how we have to divide? We have to find the cost of, now we have to find cost of one pencil by cancelling. Here we can find 12 2 jar 24, 12 6 jar 72, 2 1 jar 2, 2 3 jar 6. Therefore the cost of one pencil equal to 3 rupees. Now we required cost of 15 pencils. 15 into 3 rupees. 15 3 jar 45. The cost of required pencil equal to 45 rupees. Now we will see another situation. Suppose if you go to the juice shop, if the cost of 6 bottles of juice is equal to 210 rupees, then what will be the cost of 4 bottles of juice? Here also we are using the unitary method. That means first we have to find the cost of 1 bottle of juice. Later we will find the 4 bottles of juice. Now answer. Cost of 6 bottles of juice equal to 210 rupees. Now cost of 1 bottle juice 210 by 6. Now 6 1 jar, 6 3 jar 18. 6 3 jar 18, and 3 is the remainder. 6 5 jar 30, remainder 0. Therefore 35. The cost of 1 bottle of juice equal to 35. Now the cost of 4 bottles of juice. Here 4 we have to multiply 4 with each cost of we have to multiply 4 with cost of 1 bottle of juice equal to 35 rupees. 4 into 35. 4 into 35 equal to 140. Therefore cost of 4 bottles of juice equal to 140. Now go to exercise. If the cost of 3 apples is 60 rupees, then find the cost of 7 apples. Answer. The cost of 3 apples equal to 60 rupees. Now the cost of 1 apple means we have to transpose 3 apples to that side. So 3 1 jar and 320. Now 20 rupees. So therefore the cost of 1 apple equal to 20 rupees. The cost of 7 apples equal to 7 into 20. 7 2 jar 14 and 0, that equal to 7 20s are 140. 7 20s are 140.